one of the things that you can do inside of Figma while applying animation easing is that you can go around and then apply custom animation easing according to how you like it. So over here, you can see that I got a button which is linked on to the other frame. So if I were to go around right here, right now it's linear. So I can change this out into custom, and by default, you can see that this is linear. So if I were to press the play button right here, then what happens is that it opens out the preview window right here. So let it just load up. So if I were to click, you can see that it just pops up like that. But I can go around over here, and here you can see that there's a line in custom. So if I were to click and drag, you can see that I can turn it into a curve. So if I were to change it out like this, let's see what happens now. Let me just go back, click on this. You can see that according to what I have right here, it speeds up in the beginning and slows down at the end. So if I were to go around, it speeds up and slows down at the end, as you can see. I can change this out right here to make it like a bounce over here as well. So it'll speed up and then bounce out now. So if I were to go back right here, press this, you can see that it goes and stays into place just like that. So now what I can also do is I can go around and change it out like this. So it'll go out, bounce out, and slowly go into place right here. So if I were to go back, click on this, now you can see that that is what happens. So according to how you actually manage this out, it'll go around and manage it out. So if I were to go around, click on this, you can see that it bounced into place right over here. So you can go around, this is what you have. As you can see, you can click and drag it according to how you like it. So if you were to do this, this is an ease in and ease out right here. You can bounce from both sides as well. So if I were to go around right here, go back, click on this, then you can see that it just goes around, stays in place just like that. So that is how it actually works out. You can also go around, change this out however you like. So you want it to be complete, easing and so forth, you can do that as well. So if I were to go back, click on this, you can see that it just snaps into place. So it is slowly coming in and snaps into place just like that. So that is how, according to how you like it, you can change around the motion of this, and you can also enter out the value. So to change around the position. So I've been doing visually, but if you want to enter out the position right here, so you can add in 0 right here. So the bottom part right here, this area right here is denoted by the left two values, while this one is from the top would be the rightmost values right here. So 1 1, that's it. So if I were to go around and type in 0 0 right here, then what happens is that it goes into place. So if I were to click and drag, you can see that this is the vertical line right here, while this is the horizontal line, just like this. So you can change around the graph according to how you like it. And that is how you can work around with custom animation easing inside of Figma. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.